Hi guys and gals, welcome to T.A.B. Videos. Glad you could stop by. Got an unusual firearm for you today. Or should I say, an unusual shotgun. I know, you're looking at this small box and thinking, now what kind of shotgun could that be? I tell you what, let's take a look-see. Okay, let's take this out. Take some of these out. Let's just set some of this aside. Okay. What we have here is an American Guncraft 12 gauge hand cannon. Very slick. This is the Desperato. Couple quick look-sees here on it. Let you look down the business end. It is pretty neat. Dan about a month ago, I guess, brought one up, and he did a video on it. Well, it's a pain in the neck to load. You want to make sure you use the 2 rounds wisely if you have to use this thing. Of course, there's your nipples for the primers, hammer. Here's your get it over here, your brake, so you can break it down. And it's a double barrel, 12 gauge, black powder. Cool, huh? It's got an of course it's hammer. And this is your barrel selectors, whichever side you want to go first. Black or blued, a real dark, almost black, I guess. Black grips, black forearm. Very neat little critter. Got 11-inch barrel. Of course, it's got your bead on here. And it comes with a ramrod to do all your muzzle loading. I put a piece of tape around here. That way you can check and make sure she's empty. If anything's above this, and you know there's something down in there, you want to be careful. That's the thing about muzzle loaders. It's made in the USA. American Guncraft. They sent this out to Dan for a review. Now, the neat thing about this, no paperwork. They mailed it directly to his house, which is pretty cool. Well, he was up last week and brought it for me to play with. Now it come with some sabots, with some slugs. I got a couple of them out here. I'm going to use 50 grain pellets. Excuse me. 50 grain pellets, black powder or substitute. And I got some primers that we're going to get all together. I got all of that here in a box. We got some cleaning gear, cleaning stuff for it, being black powder. The primer plunger. You load this up and you can just pop the primers in there. So I got to load that up. And we got some DuPont powder substitute, black powder substitutes. Each one of these pellets are 50 grain. And I also have some Hodgson plugs, and these are 50 performed. Get that in the camera. There we go. And we got, of course, the primers are inline primers. Cleaning solvent. Of course, your anti-seize grease for your there we go. That's a lot better. Get more in this way. And what we're going to do, we got some shot shells. We're going to try the slugs. Then we're going to try the shot shells. According to manufacturer specs, you're supposed to use 1 ounce of shot to 50 grains. So we're going to take some of the shot out of a couple shotguns, put them in a bag so we'll have them. And of course got some boar butter to lubricate this so it goes in easier. Same way with, let's see, got some wads that go over the powder. Then you put your shot in, and then you got another thin layer to put over the shot to hold it in place. It's going to be a neat little project. We're going to hope to get it out here in a few days, maybe one day next week. It's starting to rain out here now. It's going to go do it this afternoon, but she's starting to rain. So we're just going to do this desktop on this thing today, and then we'll get it out and get some shooting in, some shooting scenes, and see how it goes. If you enjoy videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. That way you'll be notified if any when new videos come out. Of course, comments are welcome. Always appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. God bless American Armed Forces, past and present.